Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Santosh Kumar Singh, you proceed, man.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you proceed. Next, Vivek Singh.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And Santosh Kumar Singh, it's very important thing is you only 10 minutes are allowed for presentation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You take 10 minutes for presentation and 2 minutes for questionnaire. Okay. So you follow the guidelines. You follow the guidelines and present accordingly.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is the instruction which is common for all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You proceed, Santosh Kumar Singh.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, one and all. Respected teacher, my dear friends, myself Santosh Kumar Singh. Welcome to technical seminar under the Professor Sunanda CP, Assistant Professor AAA RRIT. Next is my title. My title is Waste
Santosh
Management
Kumar
System
Singh,
using
you show your face, man.
Sir.
Don't hide your face. You're presenting
it's
via
kind of
mobile,
We
right?
can't see.
Is it possible to show your face?
No, sir. In mobile, it's not possible, sir.
Okay, you proceed.
Okay, sir. These are the content introduction. What is waste management system? Waste management system using IoT application. Advantage, disadvantage, conclusion, reference. First is the coming to the next slide.
Your voice is not
introduction.
audible.
Sir.
So increase the volume. Voice is not audible. Okay, you proceed now.
In the present world, we see many dustbin overflowing on the roadside. This overflow of dustbin due to increases in the population and wastage from hostel and hotels and industries, etc. This overflow dustbin will make our environment ugly and causes many diseases to public. To avoid this situation, we have planned to design waste management system using IoT system. This can be implemented in cities and multiple dustbins from the different area connected to IoT technology. Coming to the next slide, what is waste management system? Things are connected to internet and those requires control from internet called IoT. In this system, the smart bin connected with the internet to display the exact information about dustbin level and which area it belongs. The overflow of dustbin creates an unpleasant environment and it affects many people, spreading by deadly disease. Then the implementation of proper waste management system will avoid the spreading such of disease. Coming to the next slide, waste management system using IoT. In this, each dustbin is given a unique ID for easy identification. We continually monitor the all dustbin in our system through an Android app link and also monitor all the events in system. In this system, many number of distributed through a internet. The ultrasonic sonic sensor is to detect the level of dustbin. Coming to the next slide, ultrasonic sensor. As the name indicates, ultrasonic sensor, it measures distance by the using ultrasonic wave. Uh, the sensor head emits an ultrasonic wave and receives the wave reflected back from target. And ultrasonic sensor measure the distance to target by measuring the time between emission and reception. This is the methodology. An ultrasonic sensor will be placed on the entire sides of lead, the one of facing of the solid waste, and trace increases. The distance between ultrasonic and trace decreases. This live data will be sent to our microcontroller. Then the microcontroller will process data sent to ThinkSpeak. ThinkSpeak help with help of Wi-Fi module. Next is the what you know is an Android app monitoring sensor control device via Bluetooth, local Wi-Fi, internet, and controlling Internet of Things server and ThinkSpeak or data monitor. This is the application. This technology can be used in residential like apartment where domestic waste has to be disposed. This technology can also be used in industrial, hospital, factories, hotel, etc. This is the advantage and disadvantage. The advantage in this system, practice is high profit, and this system keeps environment clean and fresh, and save the earth and conserve energy, reduce the environment pollution. The system of waste management will help with earn money, and this system creates employ. Next is the disadvantage. In this system, process is not always cost effective, and the resultant product has been short life. System needs more global buy-in, and these sites are often dangerous and practice are not done uniformly. The waste management system can cause more problems. This is the conclusion. Main of the objective of this project. This system will prevent dustbin and make environment neat and clean. It reduces the wastage from of time, cost, and energy of the human. It will also prevent the occurrence of many diseases and it drive to pollution. Hence, this technology is useful in many areas. This is the details where I taken the. Thank you, sir.
Santosh Kumar Singh,
Yes, sir.
what is the objective of your seminar? What is the
What, sir?
objective of your presentation?
Sir, nowadays the
So understood my question. What is the objective
sir
of your
nowadays many.
presentation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, nowadays many Nowadays, many dustbin overflow on the outside. That's the situation. We have to plan the design waste management system using IoT.
How the electronic waste is managed? Or what are the tell any two or three electronic wastes class, that is you classify some two to three electronic wastes.
The ultrasonic sensor and ultrasonic wave sensor, IR sensors, DC motors, moisture sensors. That's it. The Arduino UNO.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Santosh Kumar Singh. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir. Me, sir.
Vivek Singh, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you proceed, Vivek Singh. Vivek Singh, your voice is not audible. Some disturbance is there from your side.
Just cut and come again, sir.
Okay, Vivek Singh, you present later. Sneha,
Hello.
Vivek Singh, you mute, man, you mute it. Shubham Kumar Gupta.
कौशिक तू अपना म्यूट कर.
Yes, sir.
Shubham Kumar Gupta,
Sir.
you proceed.
Okay, sir.
Or otherwise, you wait Shubham Kumar Gupta. Sneha will present. Okay. So after
Okay, sir.
you present.
Okay, sir.
See, for all I am telling that only 10 minutes are allowed for presentation and 2 minutes for questionnaire. You follow that instruction. And Sneha, you proceed, Sneha.
One second.
Okay, Sneha. Soumya madam. Hello. Sneha.
Sir?
Proceed, Sneha.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing the screen, sir.
Okay.
Sir, do it. I don't have charge, sir.
What can I do?
It is in trial. It is in Google Drive, sir. How to share?
Sneha,
Sir,
now it is okay.
yes, yes, sir. It is coming, sir.
Oh, yeah, it's coming.
Can I start, sir?
Oh, yeah, proceed, Sneha.
Good afternoon, respected sir, beloved friends. I am Sneha from Electrical Department. I am here to give a review of my technical seminar. And my seminar topic is Vertex Bladeless Wind Generator under the internal guidance of Professor Soumya GJ ma'am. This is the overview of my seminar. Introduction. The efficiency of renewable energy has grown significantly in recent years. Means wind power, it is a useful source of energy because of its larger and efficient turbines. The transportation is more challenging because of the size of the components. The cost of this Vertex bladeless wind generator is 40% less compared to conventional wind turbine. So type of unconventional wind turbine converting wind energy, fluttering of lightweight vertical pole. So in this, the rod can be made up of fiberglass or carbon fiber. So no contact at all, means gears and linkages are absent. It is 50% less in cost. It is the main advantage of this Vertex bladeless wind generator. So in this, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy with the help of a linear alternator. This is the bladeless concept. So this is vertically oriented with at the center moving mast and generator. So it can be observed in the figure. It seems that basic generator would be most effective placing inside the mast. So the figure shows a basic structure regarding the bladeless turbine integrated into design. The magnet used inside it is in a cylindrical shape magnet which moves and causes electricity generation output. This is the design of the Vertex bladeless wind generator rod. So this rod can be made up of carbon fiber because the main reason is that to withstand the strength and flexibility, minimum energy dissipation is possible. Generation system, kinetic energy is converted to electrical energy by using alternator. Foundation, so the foundation reduced significantly because of vertex lightness. Mast, which is placed, it is a light circular section structure made up of fiberglass and carbon fiber. It acts as a windbreaker that generates the oscillatory motion. Alternator. Alternator plays a very important role. So the permanent magnet rings B. In the figure, can we observe that ABC? So B are the rings fixed at the mast. The interaction with the coils and turning magnets fixed at the stator A increases. So at the A, the stator increases. The stator part of the alternator is supported by the structure C fixed to the ground. As on other alternator, electric power output is AC with variable amplitude and frequency. After rectification and filtering, it is transformed into DC. So AC is transformed to DC after certain rectification. So this is the working of Vertex bladeless wind generator. Instead of capturing energy in circular motion, Vertex turbine takes vorticity. Vorticity in the sense spinning and whirlwinds. This structure attracts the whirlwinds and at determined frequency depending on the speed at which the wind is traveling. So if suppose the speed is 7 meter per second, then it can generate up to 60 watts. If it is 9 meter per second, then 93 watts. At nominal speed, it can generate up to 100 watts of power. So frequency of whirl means coincide with the frequency of the structure. The energy is absorbed reaching at a peak. Wind turbine does it oscillate, thereby producing movement and displacement will be there. So principle of this Vertex bladeless generator is similar to electromagnetic induction. So movement and speed is then multiplied magnetically without the use of gear assemblies. Mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. So kinetic energy is used to power an alternator which multiply the frequency of the tower's oscillation and converts motion into usable electricity. And this is the diagram of Vertex bladeless wind generator. Large number of wind generator can be placed in a single field. Compared to conventional wind turbines, huge number of Vertex bladeless generator can be placed in a field. So these are some advantages. No gears and bearings, so reduce manufacture and maintenance cost. No lubricants needed, hence noiseless and more environmental. Reduce foundation at the bottom by 50%, and the cost of energy is 40% less than conventional energy, so that birds can fly around easily without any fear. Can put large number of vertex bladeless turbine in an area compared to conventional wind turbine. So these are few disadvantages. So the efficiency of the energy absorbed from wind is less than conventional. Compared to conventional wind turbines, vertex bladeless generator is less efficiency. That efficiency is only 70%. So electric power generation affected by environmental changes. This is the conclusion. It provides a clean energy. Wind power is reliable and sustainable. Generation is made possible by the small structure bladeless turbine. High efficient power is generated. So it satisfies the need of continuous generation of electricity. It requires less space area and highly economical. This is a brief conclusion. Future scope. In future, wind generation will help to increase percentage of renewable energy for electrical power generation and provides electrically as well as economically efficient power to the consumers. And also it contributes to green energy. The country like India which having more rural population and condition suitable for wind generation through bladeless wind turbine in the best solution. Since it provides clean energy, it can be further developed in the future. These are all some references. Thank you.
Sneha. Sneha.
Sir?
How the frequency which can be controlled in the wind generator?
Frequency, sir?
Yeah.
By the speed, sir.
Okay. On what basis the blades are designed?
This is bladeless, sir. In this, blades are not obtained. Only the wind takes a verticity. It means it moves in a spinning manner.
Okay.
To this, and no blades are required, sir.
No blades are required.
No, sir.
Oh, bladeless wind turbine.
Yes, sir. Bladeless wind turbine.
Okay. How the power is which is generated without blade, Sneha?
Sir, when the wind moves in a spinning manner, so it attracts the wind at a specified frequency and speed. If suppose the speed is 6 meters per second, it provides 50 watts.
Okay.
Like that, power is developed with an. It's similar to electromagnetic induction.
Okay.
Faraday's laws of induction.
Okay, Sneha. Okay, Sneha. Thank you. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you. So who is next? Actually, only 10 minutes is the remaining time. So we'll meet. Again, I will send you the link at 3 o'clock. So you take some 15 minutes break. Again, we will meet at 3 o'clock. Again, I will send you the meeting link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you take break and we will meet at 3. Exactly, we'll meet at 3. We want to create I will create the link and I will send you. Then you join in that link. Or the link I will send,
Okay,
you will
sir.
join with that link. Okay, you take some 15 minutes break. You take break and come. After 15 minutes, we'll meet at 3.